In 1802, a 22-year-old Presbyterian minister named Isaac Anderson constructed this home in the Shenandoah Valley of Knox County. At the time, a two-story log home was a significant status symbol, a mansion of the frontier compared to the single-room cabins of most settlers. Adjacent to this house, he established the Union Academy, a schoolhouse where he taught young men Greek, Latin, and theology. It was a rigorous curriculum designed to create leaders for a rough developing nation. Because of the humble construction of the schoolhouse and his home, the locals gave it the nickname that would stick for it for generations, the Log College. For over a decade, Anderson educated students on this property, but his visions outgrew the log walls. In 1819, he took the seeds planted here and founded Maryville College, serving as its first president until his death in 1857. This log house, therefore, is the spiritual ancestor of one of the oldest colleges in the South. As time passed, the house sat on a ridge in Knox County, quietly weathering the years while modern development encroached on all sides. By 2014, the situation was dire. The land had been purchased by developers, and the cabin was placed on Knox Heritage's Fragile 15 list of endangered historical places. It seemed destined to be bulldozed, another piece of history lost to a subdivision. The rescue of this cabin was led by a man named Cole Piper, a 1968 graduate of the college Isaac Anderson founded. He spearheaded a fundraising campaign to save the structure, raising over $150,000 to ensure that the cabin wouldn't be lost. In the fall of 2017, rescue began. The house was carefully dismantled log by log. Every piece was cataloged. It was a massive undertaking. After 2 centuries of exposure to the elements, roughly 30% of the logs had rotted and needed to be replaced with period-appropriate timber. The cabin was moved to the Great Smoky Mountains Heritage Center in Townsend. On February 8, 2019, the restoration was complete. The dedication ceremony was timed perfectly to coincide with the bicentennial celebration of Maryville College, exactly 200 years after Anderson founded the college. His original home was open to the public, fully restored. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. Thank you.